YouTubers, it's your girl Shay Skyler, and I'm back with another video. I just finished washing my hair. I actually did a leave-on with a co-wash, and then I washed it with my intense conditioning treatment by Cream of Nature. And as you can see, I separated my hair after I finished washing. I always try to separate it into four so it's easier for me to maneuver and get through. So today I'm going to be doing a twist out. As you can see, this is my hair freshly washed with no product. This is how the curls look. So I'm going to be doing a twist out. I'm probably going to be doing my part on this side. I switched the way that I want my parts, y'all. So we're going to be doing it this way. The first thing that I'm going to be doing is adding product. I never did a twist out with a lot of twists. I'm probably going to be doing about 25 to 30 twists in my hair. I'm not going to be showing you all the twists that I do because I know that you, sorry, that was bothering me. I know that you don't want to see a long, thought out video of me just doing twists in my hair. So the products that I'm going to be using today is the Shea Moisture Mongongo and Hemp Seed Oils High Porosity Moisture Seal Styling Gel. It has baobab protein and apple cider vinegar. Sorry. And then I'm going to be using the little bit that I have of the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Define and Shine Custard. Okay. Alright guys, so let's get into this 2-strand twist out. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is detangling my hair. This is my hair freshly washed with no product. Then I'm going to be taking the Shea Moisture product and the Cantu product and mixing them together. Then I'm going to be taking the oil. I'm going to be using the oil as a seal just so I can make sure I retain that moisture that I'm adding to my hair. Then I am going to detangle again because I want to make sure that my hair has no little kinky knots. And I'm just going to 2-strand twist. This is the fastest hairstyling that I have ever done with my natural hair. Only because I put so many, but I've done it where I've only done about 5 twists and I still got some good results. So same thing, I am just going to be taking my hair and twisting it around so you guys, you can watch that, but you know, y'all should know how to 2-strand twist. Now, after I finished that, I didn't show this in the video, but I pinned my hair to stretch it. I just took the twist and I used my bobby pins and I pinned it to alternate sides of my head. But now I'm just taking the twist out and I am pulling them apart to make sure that I get volume in my hair because I want big hair. I don't want little hair. So I'm just going to take those twists, untwist them, and then I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and I'm going to comb out the roots first. And then after I comb out the roots, I'm going to be doing, you know, just pulling it apart, making sure that I didn't miss anything because sometimes I miss twists. They're like all deep and embedded inside my head. But yeah, that is it. And I'm just going to fluff, fluff, fluff. And I eventually fluff when I get to work as well because I want that big hair, y'all. And these are my results. Make sure that you subscribe, thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.